Hi guys, welcome to Short Note Life. So in today's video, Madam Glam actually reached out and asked me did I want to review their newest collection, and I of course said yes. I believe the name of the new collection is House of Glam. There are 8 colors, but they sent over 4 colors for me to review today. I'm so excited for you guys to see them. The first color is called Seek and See. I love this color. I think it is so beautiful. It's very muted. All of these colors are muted, but this one is like it's not quite white and it's not quite brown. It's like a beige, and it's also, to me, has like a little tone of this purple. I feel like it matches the purple perfectly. It's like a good complement color. And then this one is a purple. um I don't know how to describe it other than purple. It has like a brown tone, I guess you would say. It's a neutral purple is what I would call it. And then it's called Astrological Goddess, which I love the name of it. And the next color is Royal Card, and it's more like a berry purple, a muted berry purple. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, my favorite color is purple. So to me, the Astrological Goddess and this color Royal Card are my favorite. I love them. I know I would have a lot of use of them because they are my favorite color. And then the last color is called Oracle, and it is a brown. I think all of these colors are super pretty. These are colors you wear all year round. I'm so happy to have them in my collection because I know for a fact I'm going to use them a ton. So I do want to remind you guys that Madam Glam is vegan, cruelty free. They have a 21 free formula. They're palm oil free and they're HEMA free. I also want to quickly mention that there will be a link down in the description box down below along with the coupon code. And if you follow that link, if you don't want to sign up to be a VIP member, you can just hit pay as you go, and the coupon code will be activated automatically. So I'm so excited for you guys to see what I created with this collection today. So let's just jump right into the video. To start off, I want to put base coat on all of the nails. I've already applied my product today. Usually I'll probably apply it in the video, but I finally got around to making the application video that I've been promising you guys, and that will be out Friday. So that's why these nails are already done, and I was planning on doing a top design anyway, and I didn't want to waste an application, so that's why these are already done. So once I get the base coat on, I'm going to take this color Royal Card and put this on all, no, I'm putting only on the pinky, I'm sorry. And I do 2 coats of every color today. So I was watching a YouTube short. I know this is a random thought, but they were talking about how when you get more like progressed more in your skill, the things you thought that you wouldn't do in the beginning or you were completely against, you kind of change your opinion, or you learn a technique that you saying that it's not really a good technique, it doesn't work. You get better and more confident at it, and you start doing that technique more. um right now on the nails, I am just using that Seek and Fun on the rest of the nails, and I do 2 coats as well. But my point was, last year, guys, at the beginning of the year, I was like, base coat is a waste of time. I wouldn't use it before I polish the nails. It's just an extra layer you don't need. And now you guys see me use every set. I have to have my base coat on. That's what I mean. It just makes applying the nail polish easier. It makes the nail polish, to me, more pigmented. And as you learn and grow, that's kind of just what happens. Sometimes the things that we say in the beginning, we change our mind on, and it's okay. Sometimes you just have to, because once you learn the technique and see how easy it is, sometimes you just change. But anyway, I just top coated those 3 nails. I did not top coat the middle nail because I wanted to paint on my design, and I wanted to protect those nails. I'm not done with them, but they are done for right now. I do have a reference picture. I did get this picture off Shein. I don't know who the original artist is. You guys know how Shein just kind of takes artist pictures. But yeah, I wanted to recreate this, and this is a super beginner friendly set. Anybody could do this. It is so easy and simple to do. I actually have like a set I've done before that looks kind of like this. It has the same concept without the rhinestone placement, and I'll pop a picture up here. And if you want to see that video, I'll leave a link in the cards up above. But that is a super beginner friendly nail set. It is so easy to do and so simple to do. And with this design, I'm not trying to be perfect. I want my lines to look kind of squiggly. That's the whole point. You don't want straight lines. That's not what this design is really about. It's about making something unneat. It's about having a shaky hand, because sometimes you guys know after you had a soda or your coffee, your hand is just a little bit shaky. uh, this is the design that it actually works for. So right now I am matte top coating this nail, and I believe the equivalent would be the velvet matte top coat from Madam Glam. And I'm just wiping off the tacky layer with some alcohol. I have the top coat that you have to wipe, and I do like to wipe off the dispersion layer of the matte top coat when I'm about to use foil gel, which that is what I'm using right now. And I believe Madam Glam sells a foil gel as well. So I'm, like I said, I'm not trying to be super neat. I'm trying to make my hands like shake a little bit. So if you see it like moving really weirdly, it's because I want it to look squiggly. I want it to look distressed. I don't want perfect lines. I want it to look like I just could not keep the brush in place at all. And that's what I'm doing. And then I'm using this foil, and I'm just going to lay it onto the nail and press it in. I felt like this was a nice muted gold. It matched the color perfectly. I think I should have made my lines just a tad bit smaller, but I'm happy with them. So right now you see me top coating these in the Madam Glam top coat. But what actually ended up happening was off camera at some point, I'm just going to top coat the whole nail. I thought it might look nice with it matte and then this as a pop, but I just felt like my lines were too thick for it. So I felt like it looked better when I top coat it, if that makes sense. I don't think it makes sense, but it just made me feel better to top coat it. So I'm going to do the same rhinestone placement as the picture. That's what I kind of loved about that picture. It was just so simple, but it was so beautiful. And I think if this I had a different color, like berry color, I used amethyst. I feel like if I had something a little bit more sparkly, that would have popped more. And if you see something black on the side, that is my ring light. It just wanted to make an appearance today. I apologize about that, but I'll move it at some point. Like I said, it's just a super simple to design to do. You kind of feel like you're doing it wrong when you put two smaller rhinestones beside three large rhinestones, but it looks nice. It looks like it's supposed to look. And I did add some bling to the pinky and the pointer. They just felt a little too plain. And I'm gonna change my background in a second, because I thought that was the reason why the camera was looking red, but it's actually the black gloves. I apologize about that. But this is the end of the video, so thank you guys for joining me. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. I do new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I want you guys to have an amazing day. Bye.